What's up, guys? Team Tosh here with Tosh Toys, and we got Sam Tosh and Sayla Tosh, and today we are gonna make a huge ramp for the Flame Peace GP Toys race car. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yeah!
It's gonna be awesome.
So, Team Tosh here and on Amazon.com.
Yeah, you got this off Amazon.com, didn't you?
Yeah, and it's gonna be awesome because we're gonna rip it on.
Ramp it!
On this ramp.
Yes!
Yeah.
And Daddy's proud of you because this is the car you saved up your money for like a year and waited to get a super fast remote control car, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you even used some birthday gifts.
Yeah.
What? All right, are you ready to test it out?
Yeah!
Woo! Sayla, are you ready?
Yeah! Woo!
Yeah!
I will say this and I will say that was some grace.
Huh?
And
Exactly. What she said, right?
oh no, yeah.
That's right. That's right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is a huge ramp. Oh, no, missed it. Sayla, go get it. Sayla, thank you so much. That's very kind of sister, isn't it? All right, Sam, go ahead. Ah! Oh, no! All right, Dad Tosh fixed the ramp. You ready? Line it back up. Sam, you got this. Oh! Tosh's turn. I'm gonna try to hit it as fast as it can possibly go. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Yeah! All right, let's try it out. Oh no! What? The top popped off. Uh-oh. The top literally just popped off.
Oh, no. It can go back on. Look, you see these?
Oh, yeah, you might be right. All right. What? Are you making the ramp higher?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, it did it! The top came off again. It looks weird without the top on, don't you think?
Yeah, let's ramp it without the top.
Without the top?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. Is it lined up?
Yep.
Yep, it is. All right. Oh! It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Oh. What's up, guys? Team Tosh here, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
That was a super cool ramp, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This car went super high.
Yeah.
All right, we try to come out with 1 to 2 videos a week. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to Tosh Toys. And when you subscribe, you're a part of what?
Team Tosh!
Can you say Team Tosh?
Team Tosh!
Team Tosh. All right, you guys want to do Team Tosh?
Yeah.
All right, hands in, hands in.
Team Tosh, 3, 1, 2,
2, 3, Team Tosh!